Hello friends, it's me Asir Intasir Shaiket. Welcome to my channel Asirfx 360. Today in this video I am going to suggest you three forex broker which is best for 2022. So I chose these three forex broker from my experience. Last 10 years I'm doing forex trading, so I use lots of forex broker, but from them I can recommend you three forex broker which is the best for your trading. So basically this video is going to be very important for you, because if you cannot choose a very good broker, then you cannot make money from the forex. Okay, so if you want to invest more than $5,000, or if you want to invest $10,000 in the forex market, I think you need to choose the IC market forex broker. This is a totally regulated forex broker. This is also ASIC regulated forex broker. So ASIC is the top level regulation authority. Okay, so if you use IC market, then your money will be safe, and they take very low spread, and you can deposit money by $1 Skrill or PayPal or bank or card or any method you can deposit money. So minimum deposit there $200. From the $200 you can start trading with the IC market. So basically there you don't get any cent or micro account. But if you want to use a cent account or micro account, then Fxtm will be very good for your trading. Okay, so Fxtm is also a regulated broker. I also visited their office in Cyprus, so you can see the team member of the Fxtm. I meet them 4 years ago. I mean in 2018 I go to Cyprus and I also visit their offices, and they are very good and they are very helpful and they are also regulated. So there you will get a cent account also, and if you want to invest $0 to $5,000 in the forex, then you can choose Fxtm forex broker. Basically their support system is very good, and they don't you can deposit money by $1 Skrill and bank, and their deposit and withdraw totally free, and in the 7 days 24 hours you will get their support also. And another broker I can tell you, the XNES and FBS. Okay, so those two are almost same. Basically I told you I will tell you three, but now I'm going to tell you four. The XNES forex broker is also a very good forex broker, and if you just a beginners, then XNES and FBS will be very good for you. Okay, and you can take huge leverage also from the XNES and the FBS forex broker, and you can use their cent account, and you can also use their cent account trading system. This is also very good. So if you are an expert forex trader, and if you want to invest almost $10,000, or if you want to invest big money, then IC market will be good for you. And if you are just beginners, or if you just a normal forex trader who want to invest $2,000, $3,000, for them Fxtm will be very good, and their support system will be good also. Okay, and I visit their office, so I can guarantee you your money will be safe, and their platform are very good. And if you are just a beginners, then XNES and FBS will be very good for you. But IC market, FBS, XNES, Fxtm, these four brokers don't allow US or Canadian citizen forex traders. So USA trader or Canadian citizen trader cannot use this four forex broker. Maybe in the future I will make another video. There I will tell you few best broker for the USA resident or US trader. Okay, this is for today. Bye. Have a good day.